Hi, my name is Travis.
And I'm Kate.
And together we're Ride Along Pictures.
Yes.
And we are a video production and consulting company that makes films about adventures, but especially like where they take place and who does them.
And this fall, we're riding our bikes from Maine to Florida along the East Coast Greenway, filming all of the trails, roads, towns, cities, ice cream, and pizza places along the way.
We're raising $4,000 to launch a company, and our first big project is, like Kate said, riding from Maine to Florida. While we're doing this trip, we're going to be filming the entire way, and afterwards we're going to sit down, we're going to edit it, and we're going to create a travel documentary series.
The East Coast Greenway filming will be our first big production.
As we ride, the things that we'll be focusing on filming are the routes, what exactly those roads look like, what's good, what's bad, but especially what's good, because what we want to show at the very end of this series is why a completed East Coast Greenway or a completed United States bicycle route system would really benefit lots of people.
Trail systems are valuable for communities, and anyone can use them when they're built properly. People who are able, people who are differently abled, people who are walking with their families, or people who are cross-country touring on bicycles.
The other goal of this whole thing is not just to highlight a route and to help build it in a much stronger way and to get it to be completed, but also to help get people out onto it, to help get people who have been curious or have even just given any sort of thought to doing some sort of a large bike or hiking trip. The $4,000 from this campaign will go to us eating and sleeping on this trip. It will also go to acquiring some new video equipment for us that will actually be used on all future trips as well. It will also cover our trip's insurance. Also, there's something in there as well just in case purposes. It's for being able to handle an emergency so that we can just take care of whatever that is. Please contribute to our GoFundMe, or if you can't contribute anything, please share. That is still contributing something. It is something that would really, really help us out.
You can find our fundraising page at gofundme.com/ridealongpictures. It's also available on our website. It'll be linked to on our Instagram.
Thank you. Ride hard, ride safe.